yeah. Yeah. Ma, yeah. Ma, yeah. Uh-huh. Thank you. Thank you, too. Hi, John. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom.
Huh?
Hey, Monty.
Okay, don't. I already dug a hole. Don't. Mama's turn.
Hi, John.
Mama's turn.
Hi, John. Hi, Miss John. Hi, Miss John. Huh? Huh? Hi, Miss John. Huh? Yeah. Hi, Miss John. Miss John. Oh my God! 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 Huh? Oh my God! Wow! Yeah?
Mama's turn.
Oh my God! Oh my God! My turn! My turn! Say more. Say more, baby. More, baby. More, baby.
They just like clamp on.
What's that, Melanie?
Baby.
Baby? Oh, baby.
And more dirt.
What's that?
Dirt.
Dirt? Dirt for the baby?
And you wash.
Are you washing your hands?
Yeah. Wash.
You want it in your hand now?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Where's baby where? Huh?
Where's
What?
baby?
Here.
Oh.
Done.
Done? Is this where it's going to grow?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. But it has to grow in the ground.
Hmm?
It has to grow in the ground.
In the air. Done. Oh, where?
But it's supposed to grow in the ground, Melanie. Now what are you doing, Melanie?
Thank you, Mommy.
You gotta get the mommy?
Yeah.
Oh. Are you gonna put the mommy with the baby?
Yeah.
Oh, where's the mommy go?
Mom. Mom, baby.
Oh, you got the baby one?
Yeah.
But you didn't get it from the root. Thank you. We'll put it right here with the mom, okay?
Huh?
Put it right there with his mom. Okay.
Yeah.
It's going
Yeah.
to EIE anyways. No! Mommy already planted these ones.
Here, Melanie, come get this baby from my hand. Take the baby and put it with the mommy. Ow, that kind of hurts. Okay, go give that to mommy.
I'm more baby. I'm more baby.
Another one? Hold on, I gotta go get it a mommy.
Huh?
Let me go get it
Oh,
a mommy.
I think you fell off.
The baby. Oh my gosh, I'm getting it lightheaded.
No, she's hilarious. I think she just picked one of the ones you planted.
No more picking, Mom. No more picking. No, over here. No, over here. Hold on. You gotta wait. These things are freaking monsters already.
Well, they're like icebergs.
Peas?
Well, I mean, no, like the roots. It's always bigger on the bottom than what you see on the top.
Out of all the stuff I've been transplanting, these ones like took off. Like they were just like latched for days.
What did you think?
They just have like 1 or 2 roots.
What did you think? Peas are like an ice. What?
Hold on, we gotta make a hole for it first. We gotta put it in the hole. See the big hole? You wanna put the baby in there? Okay, put him right there. Pretty good. Let's bury the baby with the mommy. Oh, no, that's a big one. You just want little one. My stomach gurgled and she looked her. What was that? Okay, we have more. We have more mommies. Don't touch the flowers now, okay?
Baby goes night night.
I mean, they're just like clamped on in all directions. Like, remember you just go down, you know?
Yeah.
These like in every direction. And they're just like stiff on the ground. You can't even pull them up.
Looks like a root.
But for that little pea.
Looks like a root.
I know it's a root.
It looks like a root to me.
You should have seen the okra roots. They were like not even an inch long.
Oh, really?
And they've been growing sooner than these.
Looks like a root.
It is a root.
Really?
I'm saying it's